Picture a kitchen alive with sizzling sounds, fragrant steam curling through the air, and vibrant colors dancing across the countertops. The energy is contagious, and every sense is awakened as you step into this world of culinary excitement. Stir-frying is more than just a way to cook. It's a lively, quick, and healthy method that transforms simple ingredients into delicious meals in just minutes. The sizzle of the wok, the flash of the flame, and the aroma of fresh vegetables and spices combine to create a truly dynamic experience. Across the globe, people from all walks of life love stir-frying for its incredible speed, vibrant flavors, and the way it brings families and friends together around the table. It's a universal language of taste and joy. The secret behind great stir-fry? High heat. It locks in nutrients, keeps veggies crisp and colorful, and ensures every bite bursts with freshness. Each toss in the wok is a celebration of texture and taste. Stir-frying is playful and creative. Each ingredient is a character, and the wok is your stage. You get to experiment, improvise, and let your imagination run wild as you mix flavors and colors. No need to be intimidated. With a little know-how and a dash of curiosity, anyone can master the art of stir-frying. It's a skill that grows with every meal you make. This guide will walk you through the essentials, from the fascinating history of stir-frying to practical tips and tricks you can use right away in your own kitchen. Forget past kitchen mishaps. Today, you start fresh. Every new dish is a chance to learn, improve, and have fun along the way. Let's build your confidence and creativity, one step at a time. With each stir-fry, you'll discover new flavors and techniques, making every meal a little adventure. So, tie on your apron, grab your wok, and get ready. Let's dive into the colorful, flavorful world of stir-frying together. To master stir-frying, you need to understand its heart: speed, heat, and balance. Born in China for fuel efficiency, stir-frying uses high heat and quick movement to cook small, uniform pieces. The goal is wok hei, the smoky, savory breath of the wok. Stir-frying is a dance. Constant tossing ensures even cooking and crisp textures. It's about harmony, balancing colors, textures, and flavors in every bite. Prep is key. Have everything chopped and ready before you start. The short cooking time preserves nutrients and natural flavors. Stir-frying celebrates freshness, letting each ingredient shine. You don't need fancy gadgets, just a few essentials. The wok is your main tool. Carbon steel, round-bottomed for gas, flat-bottomed for electric. Its shape creates heat zones and makes tossing easy. Use a long-handled spatula or chuan to flip and scoop safely. A powerful burner is ideal. Always preheat your wok until it smokes. A sharp knife and sturdy cutting board are musts for prepping uniform, bite-sized pieces. Small bowls for prepped ingredients keep you organized. Mise en place, having everything ready, is non-negotiable. With these basics, you're set for stir-fry success. Think of your ingredients as colors on a painter's palette. Each one brings its own unique shade, texture, and flavor to your dish. The more variety you have, the more vibrant and exciting your stir-fry will be. Don't be afraid to mix and match. Choose a colorful assortment: crunchy bell peppers, crisp broccoli, sweet carrots, or fresh snow peas. These vegetables not only add flavor, but also bring a satisfying bite and a pop of color to your meal. For contrast, include softer options like earthy mushrooms or tender bok choy. Mixing different textures keeps every bite interesting and delicious. Wash all your vegetables thoroughly and dry them well. Excess water can cause oil to splatter and will ruin that signature sizzle you want in a stir-fry. When it comes to protein, slice your meat or chicken thinly and always cut against the grain. This ensures each piece stays tender and cooks quickly, soaking up all the flavors. Marinate your protein briefly with a bit of soy sauce, cornstarch, and a splash of oil. This step adds flavor and helps keep the meat juicy during cooking. Aromatics like garlic, ginger, and spring onions are the foundation of your flavor. Chop them finely so they release their fragrance quickly in the hot pan. Remember to separate the white and green parts of the spring onions. Add the white parts early for depth, and save the greens for a fresh, colorful garnish at the end. Your stir-fry sauce should strike a perfect balance between salty, sweet, and savory. Combine soy sauce, a touch of sugar, fragrant sesame oil, and maybe a spoonful of oyster sauce for richness. Don't forget to mix a simple cornflour slurry, just cornstarch and water. This will help thicken your sauce at the very end, giving your stir-fry that glossy, restaurant-style finish. The secret to a smooth stir-fry is preparation. Always have every ingredient chopped, measured, and sauces mixed before you start cooking. Once the heat is on, things move fast. Ready? Here's the stir-fry dance, step by step. Heat your wok until it smokes. Don't skip this. Swirl in high smoke point oil. It should shimmer instantly. Add aromatics, garlic, ginger, chilies, for a quick, fragrant sizzle. Add protein first, sear, then remove when nearly cooked. Stir-fry hard veggies next, then add softer ones. Keep everything moving for even cooking and crispness. Return protein to the wok, toss to combine. Pour in your pre-mixed sauce. Let it bubble and coat everything. Add cornflour slurry if needed for a glossy finish. Toss in green onions, serve immediately. Enjoy. Avoid these classic stir-fry mistakes for perfect results. Don't overcrowd the wok. Cook in small batches to keep the heat high. Prep everything before you start. There's no time to chop mid-cook. Use neutral high smoke point oils, never olive oil for stir-frying. Save sesame oil for drizzling at the end, not for cooking. Embrace high heat. Don't be timid with your stove. Listen for the sizzle. That's your sign of success. If things cook too fast, lift the wok off the heat briefly. With practice, you'll master the speed and sizzle of stir-frying. Let's put it all together with 2 easy, delicious recipes that are perfect for beginners. These dishes are not only quick to make, but they'll also help you build confidence in your stir-frying skills, one step at a time. First up, chicken and broccoli. Begin by thinly slicing chicken breast for even cooking, then cut broccoli into bite-sized florets. Mince fresh garlic and ginger. These aromatics will add a wonderful depth of flavor to your dish. In a small bowl, mix together soy sauce, oyster sauce, a pinch of sugar, and a drizzle of sesame oil. This simple sauce brings a perfect balance of savory, sweet, and nutty notes. Heat your wok until it's nice and hot, then add a splash of oil. Stir-fry the garlic and ginger until fragrant. Add the chicken and cook until it's almost done. Remove the chicken to keep it tender. Next, stir-fry the broccoli until it's just tender but still bright green. Return the chicken to the wok, pour in your sauce, and toss everything together until well coated. Serve hot over a bowl of fluffy rice for a complete meal. Looking for a vegetarian option? Try garlic snow pea and mushroom stir-fry. It's just as easy and packed with flavor. Slice mushrooms, trim the ends off fresh snow peas, and mince a clove or 2 of garlic. Prepping your veggies ahead makes the cooking process smooth and fast. For the sauce, simply mix soy sauce, a touch of sugar, and a splash of water. This light sauce lets the natural flavors of the vegetables shine through. Heat oil in your wok, add the garlic, and stir-fry until aromatic. Toss in the mushrooms, cook until they're golden and tender, then add the snow peas for a quick sauté. Toss everything briefly, just enough to keep the snow peas crisp and their color vibrant. Overcooking will dull their flavor and texture. Pour in your sauce, toss to coat the veggies evenly, and serve right away while everything is hot and fresh. Both of these dishes show how a handful of simple, everyday ingredients can be transformed into something truly special with the magic of the wok. The possibilities are endless once you master these basics. Start here, experiment with your favorite ingredients, and soon you'll be stir-frying with confidence and creativity.